In this video, we are going to show you how to add a Google Reviews widget in Elfsight. Once you log into your Elfsight account, and as always, hover your mouse here over widgets, you want to go look at reviews, right? Here, reviews. So if you want to add a Google review, just click on the Google review option here, like so. It's going to bring us to its own page. Let's wait for it to load. There we go. Once you're here, you want to click on the Create Widget for Free icon. It's going to bring us at the bottom of your screen. So as you can see here, there are a few options. So as you can see, you already reviews widget, your Google Reviews widget is already created. So if this is your first time, you just need to click or choose the template and then click here on the continue with this template so you can customize it. So if you click on view widget, if you already have it, it's going to bring us to this page instead, and click on editing. And then this is pretty much how you're going to edit it if you're doing it for the first time. So you can edit content, you can edit, add a features, layout, header, review, style, change everything. So it's going to suit your brand. When you're done, all you need to do is click on publish over here on the upper right corner, and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.